In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Framer Basic Plan free for students, which includes their paid Basic Plan features and powerful AI tools, normally worth $120 per year. This discount is massive and gives you everything you need to launch a professional portfolio or personal site today. Let's start with the incredible value you unlock. By applying for the student discount, you immediately get a free Basic Plan or equivalent features for your personal site. This is a huge deal as it includes free hosting for your portfolio or personal site, as long as you're a student. Full design toolkit access to Framer's next-gen design canvas and CMS. Unlimited AI tools like Wireframer and Workshop AI. And access to thousands of free templates to launch your site in minutes. It's the easiest way to learn by doing. Now, let's walk through the simple steps to claim this student discount. First, go to the Framer website from the link in the description and click the Apply for the Discount button. On the application page, you'll need to fill out a short form with your details, accurately fill in your name, school email, and your expected graduation date. Next, you must upload a clear photo of your school ID, making sure the photo issued by your school has your full name and the school logo clearly visible for fast verification. Then, check the box confirming that you will only use the discount for your student site, such as your portfolio, class projects, or resumes, and click Submit. Framer aims to review all applications quickly, typically within 5 working days. While you wait, you can still use most of Framer's features on a free account to start building your site. The good news is that you only need to reapply for a new student discount every 11 months. And you remain qualified for the discount as long as you are a student enrolled in a certified in-person or online program like a high school, college, or university. So go ahead, follow the link in the description and launch your professional portfolio for free today. If you want to know how to get a discount on any paid plans for Framer, just click on the video appearing on your screen.